Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the world famous Nova Lox Bagel. So you're going to need a couple ingredients. You're going to need some everything bagels, correct? I'm just going to do one. So everything. I'm going to go ahead and toast it. These already come pre-cut, so it's pretty convenient. Put it in the toaster oven here. You want to get it kind of nice and toasted, if you would say. This is some smoked salmon. This usually runs about $6 or so. Go ahead and open this up. You're gonna need some scissors. Oh, these are the tear tops. You just tear it off, and there's your salmon right there. It comes in strips. I don't know where this bagel was invented, but it's good. They have these at Einstein Bagels. There's a salmon. Get some cream cheese. You can get whatever brand you like. I just get whatever's on sale. Big fan of cream cheese. Open this up. It's cream cheese. Definitely gonna need a knife for the cream cheese. So, once this bagel gets toasted, we are going to assemble. So the first thing we want to do when we assemble it is we want to put the cream cheese on both sides of the bagel. Then what we'll do is we'll put the smoked salmon onto the bagel, and we're going to top it off with some capers. Capers are very salty, almost like an olive. If you don't like salt, you probably won't like capers, but fortunately I like salt. So that is what we're gonna put on there. Let's take a look at these bagels. I don't like mine too toasted. Just a little crisp on there. Go ahead and get some of this cream cheese. Spread it all on the bagel there. Get some more. There we go. That'll do it. That'll do it, don't get. So we have, and you can be kind of creative with it. 2 cream cheese bagels. Then we are going to take, now you can do this with regular salmon if you don't want to buy it. Put some salmon on there. You can get you can cook salmon and put it on there. I've done that before too. It's just as good. Strip of this. These are pretty filling too, with the cream cheese, the bagel. You're gonna be getting some carbs, you're gonna get some protein, you're gonna get some fats. So we got the salmon. Salmon's on there. Cats are going crazy because they smell this smoked, delicious salmon. We'll need a spoon to get these babies out. I got this I don't know where I got this. I think my girlfriend got it for me. She knows I like the Nova Lox Bagels. She knows I like the salty stuff too, so she got these capers for me. I kind of go crazy with these when I put them on. I mean, you can do what you like. But, folks, it's straightforward, it's simple, it's an easy cleanup, pretty good little breakfast if you're not a big breakfast fan. I'm not a very big breakfast guy, so I kind of opt for the more savory, salty options. But I'm gonna take this camera, show you what we created here. Capers, smoked salmon, cream cheese, bagel. You can make a sandwich out of this if you flip it on over. But there it is, folks. Simple, easy, and effective. Brunch, lunch, breakfast, dinner, snack throughout the day. Whatever you're needing, this will do it.